So these relays each allow these home switches for each of the motors to communicate to the motion controller on these lines. These are cooling fans because I've upgraded the power in the machine so that the stepper motors are run with 70 volts, 75 volts instead of 48 volts. Volts equals speed, so the machine can run faster. Amps equals torque. Each one of these is a drive. They have heat sinks now to keep them cool because I've increased the voltage going into them. These are relays, one for the brake, one for the blade to go in and out, and one for to turn the power to the amps on. Okay? These are how I connect all of the devices from the cutting table into the electrical panel. This is my bus for the power for the motors. Each one of these wires runs down to one of these drives. Okay. This is the 120 volts AC, the main power button. There's a small power supply here for 5 and 24 volts DC. This is a contactor which turns 120 volts AC on with a 24 volt DC signal. So the computer can turn this on, and this gives power to the main power supply that feeds the drives. Okay, and this is a circuit breaker, or the back side of the circuit breaker. The circuit breaker's on this side, and this is the nameplate and the serial number of this machine and the main circuit breaker. Okay.